Hi and welcome back to my channel, The Queen Phoenix. So today I'm going to make this quick and simple cross. You start in the middle with the magic ring. And this is worked in treble, so it's yarn over the hook twice. And it's extremely quick. I made it in a bright color so that everybody can see. So you're going to need any wool that you choose, and your crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. Right, so the first thing I'm going to do is make a magic ring. If mine can just cooperate. Wow, zero cooperation. Let's try this again. And I'm going to remind myself to leave a longer tail. Right. So you're going to start with chain 3. And this counts as the very first treble. Right? Then you're going to crochet 3 trebles. And then 3 chain. And you're going to repeat this. 4 trebles and 3 chain. Until you have 4 clusters, so 3 more times. And I'm going to meet you back there. So you can see I've done it 4 times, 4 trebles, 3 chain. Now I'm just going to pull this tail and make it nice and small, the hole in the center. And I'm going to join it to the top of the 3 chain space. Right. Now you can continue in one color, but I'm changing to another color. So I just slip stitch, cut my yarn, work my yarn in, but you can continue in any color, or you can stick to the same color. Completely your choice. Don't forget to please like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think of my videos. If you make it, please tag me, The Queen Phoenix. I'd love to see what you all crochet. Snippity snip, that's the ends of those tails. So I'm going to use some green. And you're going to insert your needle in the 3 chain space, but the 3rd chain closest to the treble. You make a slip stitch. You make a slip knot. And then you're going to only slip stitch in the front loops of the 4 trebles. Only slip stitch in the front loops. I hope you can see that. There you go. I'm sure that's much better. Then slip stitch into the 3 chain space. 3 chain. 3 double crochet. 3 trebles. I don't know where I'm getting double crochets from. 3 trebles. 3 chain, and slip stitch into the very first chain. So you have a nice little picket there. Then you're going to put in 3 more trebles into the same 3 chain space. Three chain. Why am I making 4? It's supposed to be 3. Sorry about that. Let's take that 4th one out. It's 3 chain. Slip stitch into the exact same space of the 3 chain space. Again, slip stitch into the 4. Do I feel like I'm missing one? I am definitely missing one. Let's take that out. There we go. Slip stitch into the front loops only of the 4 trebles. Slip stitch into the 3 chain space, 3 chain, 3 trebles, three chain, slip stitch into the first chain that you made, then it's again 3 trebles, three chain, slip stitch into the same 3 chain space, slip stitch across all 4 trebles only in the front loops, and you're going to continue that for the next one. I'm going to meet you at the one just before you started the green. So here we are here. You should have made 3. So chain 3 in the middle of your chain, of your 3 chain space, 3 trebles, now chain 3. I'm going to work my tail in, chain 3, do not join. Right, 3 trebles. Oh, why am I doing a double crochet? 3 trebles, please, in the same 3 chain space, just hiding my tail. And it's not 3, it should be 4 trebles. Right, so that's 4 trebles. Now turn your work to the back and slip stitch across those 4 trebles. Don't forget that anytime you can slow down this video by using the settings, and you can pause the video. Slip stitch into the 3 chain space. Now 3 chain, 3 trebles, second one, third one, 3 chain, and you're going to make 4 trebles now. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, turn your work and slip stitch across all 4, and at this stage we're going to add that little picket. So slip stitch across all 4, get some wool, slip stitch into the 3 chain space, 3 chain, 3 trebles, three chain for our picket. Let me just get some yarn here, yarn wool, whatever you call it. 1, 2, 3, slip stitch into the very first chain, and 3 trebles, please. That's the third one going in. Now make 3 chain, slip stitch into the same 3 chain space, then slip stitch across those 4 double crochets. Slip stitch, pull a long enough tail, and that's it. I'm going to quickly work in this tail. It's up to you if you want to use a darning needle to work your yarn or wool in. I just prefer it with a crochet needle. Snip that one. Let me work this one just a bit more in. There's another piece of tail there. Right, that's it. For the hook part, you can use the same color green and alternative color. Let me just grab some white. Slip stitch, oh, should I say slip knot? You can chain as many chain as you want. For this, I just chained 15. And I'm just checking to see how it looks. And slip stitch into the very first chain. Now I'm just going to join it to the top of that picket. Let me move that tail to the back with a slip stitch again, the tail piece. I like to tie a knot with the tails, and I'm simply going to work this in. Now let me work it in with my crocheting needle or hook that's right in front of me. Right, so you'll see I'm trying to post quite a bit of my Christmas ornaments this year. And from next year, I'll have a few bigger projects. Well, hopefully I'll have a camera that can actually record longer. At the moment, I'm just using my cell phone, and it doesn't have a lot of space on it. And it does not take an SD card at all. So here we go. Nice and done. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll catch you on the next video.